have a question. How many of you girlies or guys out there that have a huge passion for accessories? And by accessories, I mean jewelry, watches, shoes, bags, everything that you can put together with or accessorize an outfit, because this girl has an accessory passion. That's what I can say about myself. But what about you? Leave your comments in the section below, because really I wonder how many people have the same kind of passion as I do. I'm looking forward to it. Ciao my friends, welcome back. And today I have another unpackaging, because this one didn't come in a box either, but another bag. So as you can see, this one actually I think I got from the SHEIN website. And I will post the link to this from the SHEIN website, and you will see the picture of this in my link tree. So you can always go to my link tree if you're wondering exactly where to get everything that I have. It's all listed there. So let's get into this package, because this one here doesn't require any weapons to open. So let's try this. And it comes in this dust bag. I'm sure most things come in these kind of dust bags, but nothing wrong with them. They work. And here is the bag. This is very nice. I love the size. Right off in the beginning, I love the size and I love the color. I don't like to be, I don't know. I'm a nudie kind of girl. Okay, I like nude shades, natural shades, natural toned shades. But I'm thinking about upping my game just a little bit and looking into some bright colors, maybe for the new season, spring and summer. So let's take off these things here, take a better look at the bag. That's nice that it came with some protection on the hardware here. So the hardware is actually on both sides. That's very interesting. So let's undo them. It has this side. So on this side, it comes with a little handle. Beautiful. Stuffing, paper. Well, it needed to keep its shape. And this side, oh, this one has a longer crossbody shape. Oh, and this one here, I think the twists can come out of it pretty easy. So I can steam it down or let it hang on a door handle and stretch it a little bit, and the twist will come out. So as you can see, it's very well made. I really like it. I haven't anything to complain about. Well done. Very nice. I don't see any logos on it, but I really just believe this was just a SHEIN bag that wasn't expensive either. Nothing really on SHEIN is that expensive. And then it comes with the paper here. It also has a little corner pocket that's zipped. Let's try out this zipper, because this is yes, it works good. I closed it. That's open. Okay. And it has this back pocket here with a zipper. Beautiful. Love, love, love all the little compartments in it. And the inside is like a vinyl, maybe like a plasticky vinyl. It's not the fabric or silk or anything canvas, but it's a little bit like a plastic on the inside, which is good to clean because nothing will get in there that you can't wipe out. But I'm not really a fan of the plastic lining in there. But I really do love this centerpiece with the two edges on it. So my friends, when you put it on, beautiful. I love the hardware. I love those little details on this, and I will be using this bag ASAP. And then this handle, I will try and put this attachment on here somehow. It's very nice, very nice. So let me know in the comment section below. I did ask a question in the beginning of the video, so if you could kindly comment about that question and what do you think of this bag. Okay, it's beautiful. For me, it's beautiful. I love it. It will give you a look for less, or a look that you want to style something with, something like this, on a budget. So my friends, I will see you again tomorrow with something new and something very special. Mwah! Have a great day, my friends. See you soon. I'm back just for a quick update. I did figure out how to get this little hand strap here on the bag. This little round hoop here has a clasp in it, like a binder hoop actually. So you can push the hoop in like this, and it has a little hinge on it that will open, and you can put it right in these little rivets here. So I have the little handle strap on, and I also have the shoulder strap on, which I will stretch out just a little bit because the fabric or the material of this is very pliable. That's what I can say. But the bag is beautiful. What do you think?